Let's look at fundamental theorem of calculus. There are basically two parts to it. One is d by dx of the integral a to x of f of t dt is equal to f of x. And the second part is definite integral from a to b of f of x dx is equal to capital F of B minus capital F of A. So using these two theorems, we are going to solve problems. First, we will take up the second one. Okay, because we will be using the second one in our problem solving related to first one. Okay, so that's why we'll be doing this first. Okay, let's take it up one by one. Integral 0 to 3 of x square by 2 minus 3x plus 3 by 2x. First, we integrate the function, this part. Okay, and then we will take care of the limits 0 and 3. So what do we do? First, we integrate. So term by term, we start off x cube by 2 times 3 minus 3x square by 2 plus 3 by 2x from 0 to 3. Now, what we do is f of b. Remember here, this is a equal to 0 and b equal to 3. So we already have evaluated f. Now, f of b means substituting x with 3. So 3 cube by 6 minus 3 times 3 square by 2 plus 3 by 2 times 3. This is f of b minus f of a. So since that is 0 and every term here has 0 x, so the whole thing will be 0. So now 3 cube is 27 by 6 minus this is also 27, so by 2 plus 9 by 2, which gives us 3 nines, 3 twos. So we have 9 by 2 plus 9 by 2 minus 27 by 2, which gives us 18 minus 27, which is minus 9 by 2. We can leave this as it is or we can write it as minus 4.5. Okay, so that is the area under the curve between these 2 points. Now, if you have gone through my previous sessions, we have evaluated the areas under the curve using different methods. This is much more straightforward. Okay, let's look at the second problem. Integral from minus 1 to 3 of x cube minus 3x square minus 1 dx. X to the power of 4 by 4 minus 3x cube by 3 minus x. 3 and 3 cancels. So this is between minus 1 and 3. Now we have to figure out f of b minus f of a. So f of b will be 3 to the power of 4 by 4 minus 3 to the power of 3 minus 3 minus, now we substitute minus 1 to the power of 4 by 4 minus 1 to the power of 3 minus 1. This gives us 81 by 4 minus 27 minus 3 minus. Now just to avoid any confusion, let's keep the bracket. This becomes 1 by 4. This becomes plus 1. This becomes plus 1. So we have 81 by 4 minus 30 minus 1 by 4 minus 2, which gives us 81 minus 180 by 4 minus 32, which gives us 20 minus 32, which is minus 12. Okay. Third one, integral from minus 4 to 2 of minus x square by 2 minus 2x plus 2 dx. Okay, integrate minus x cube by 3 times 2 minus 2x square by 2 plus 2x from minus 4 to 2. This gives us minus 2 cube is 8 by 6 minus 2 square is 4 to 8 by 2 plus 4 minus f of a, that is going to be minus 4 cube by 6 minus 2 times minus 4 square by 2 plus 2 times minus 4. You have to be very careful with this minus and plus signs. Now let's simplify this. 2 threes, 2 fours, 2 fours. These two cancels. So we are left with minus 4 by 3. Okay, now let's look at this. Minus 64 by 6 minus 4 4 16 32 by 2 minus 8. 2 threes, 2 threes, 2 twos. So we have minus 4 by 3 minus this becomes plus 32 by 3 minus 32 by 2 minus 8, which gives us minus 4 by 3 minus 32 by 3 plus 32 by 2 plus 8. Now let's take care of this. What do we get? Uh, this also cancels, so 16. This would be minus 4 by 3 minus 32 by 3 plus 24. This would be equal to minus 36 by 3 plus 24, which is minus 36 plus 72 by 3, which is equal to uh, 36 by 3, which is 12. Let's look at the fourth one. Integral from 0 to 4 of x cube minus 4x square plus 5 dx. Okay, let's integrate x to the power of 4 by 4 minus 4x cube by 3 plus 5x in the interval 0 to 4. So now let's do the substitutions. 4 to the power of 4 by 4. So this and this cancels and only 3 is left. Minus 4 times 4 cube by 3 plus 5 times 4 minus. This would be 0 minus 0 plus 0, which gives us 4 to the power of 3, that is 64, minus, again this is going to be 4 to the power of 4 is 128 by 3 plus 20, which gives us 3 times 64, 3 times 64 minus, we need not have multiplied this, we can just leave it as 4 times 64 plus 60 divided by 3, which gives us 3 times something minus 4 times the same thing gives us one of that something. So minus 64 plus 60 by 3, which gives us minus 4 by. Okay, fifth one, integral from 2 to 7 of minus 2x to the power of 1 by 3 dx. Let's integrate this. Minus 2 x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1, 2 to 7, which gives us minus 2x to the power of 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. This 3 we can take it up, 2 and 4 gets cancelled from 2 to 7, okay, which gives us minus 3x to the power of 4 by 3 by 2, 7. So minus 3, 7 to the power of 4 by 3 by 2 minus 3 times x would be 2 to the power of 4 by 3 by 2. So this becomes minus 3 times 7 to the power of 4 by 3 by 2 plus 3 times 2 to the power of 4 by 3 by 2. Now how do we solve this? Think of it like this. 7 times 7 times 7 times 7. 7 to the power of 4. Cube root of this would be 7 cube root of 7. Right? So let's take that out. So minus 3 times 7 cube root of 7 by 2 plus same way here also 3 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So cube root of this would be 2 times cube root of 2 by 2. So 2 and 2 cancels. And here what do we have? We have minus 21 cube root of 7 by 2 plus 3 cube root of 2, or if we want to combine them and write it, let's rearrange the terms. We get 6 cube root of 2 minus 21 cube root of 7 by 2. So this is the area under the curve, or this is the definite integral value. 1. Integral from minus 3 to 1 of 3x to the power of 1 by 3 dx. Okay, integrating this we will get 3 times x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 1 by 3 plus 1 from minus 3 to 1, which gives us 3x to the power of 4 by 3 by 4 by 3. This 3 we can take it up. So minus 3 to 1, which gives us 9x to the power of 4 by 3 by 4. Now let's do the substitutions. So this would be 9 1 to the power of 4 by 3 by 4 minus 9 minus 3 to the power of 4 by 3 by 4. This would be 9 by 4 minus, if we take out this minus fourth power, so that becomes plus. So we leave it as minus. So minus has disappeared from inside. We have 9 times, and this 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Fourth power is gone. Now cube root, if we take, this comes out. So we have 3 cube root of 3 by 4. So which means we have 9 minus 27 cube root of 3 by 4. That is the integral. Okay, seventh one. Integral from 2 to 3 of 4 by x square dx. Okay, now we can write this as 4 times integral of 2 to 3 of 1 by x square dx. Or we can write it also as 4 integral from 2 to 3 of x to the power of minus 2 dx. Now let's take the integral 4 times. This will be x to the power of minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 from 2 to 3, which gives us 4 x to the power of minus 1 by minus 1. So minus we can bring it up, and this we can take it down. So x from 2 to 3, which gives us 4 times minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, which gives us minus 4 by 3 minus times minus plus 4 by 2, which gives us 6 minus 4, that is 2 by 3. So that is the result. Okay, 8th one, integral from 1 to 4 of minus 2 by x dx. So this would be equal to, we can take minus 2 out, and the integral of minus 1 by x would be natural log of absolute value of x from 1 to 4, which gives us minus 2 times natural log of 4 minus natural log of 1. Remember, natural log of 1 is 0. So the answer is minus 2 natural log of 4. Okay, 9th one, integral from 0 to pi by 6 of sec square x dx. Now, we know the integral of sec square x is tan x from 0 to pi by 6. So tan pi by 6 minus tan 0, which is equal to, if you don't remember the value, just make it as sine pi by 6 by cos pi by 6 minus tan 0 is 0. Now sine pi by 6 is 1 by 2 divided by cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2, which gives us 1 by 2 times 2 by root 3. 2 cancels, which is 1 by root 3, or we can write this as root 3 by 3. And one, integral from pi by 2 to 2 pi by 3 of 2 cosec square x dx. Again, this would be equal to, we can take 2 out. Now remember, cosec square is the, its integral is tan. No, cot. No, minus cot. So we don't have a minus. So let's take a minus out, so that inside also we can put a minus sign. So we get minus cosec square x dx. So we have minus 2, we get cot x from pi by 2 to 2 pi by 3, which gives us minus 2 times cot 2 pi by 3 minus cot pi by 2. Okay, minus 2 times cos 2 pi by 3 by sine 2 pi by 3 minus cos pi by 2 by sine pi by 2, minus 2 times cos 2 pi by 3 is minus 1 by 2, and sine 2 pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, minus, this is going to be cos pi by 2 is 0, and this sine pi by 2 is 1. So what do we end up with? Minus 2 times minus 1 by 2 times 2 by root 3. So 2 cancels, and we have minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 by root 3, which can be written as 2 root 3 by 3. 13th one, integral from minus 1 to 1 of minus 2 e to the power of x dx. So now this, its integral is minus 2 e to the power of x from minus 1 to 1. Pretty straightforward, which gives us minus 2 is a constant, it doesn't impact, but okay, e to the power of 1 minus 2 e to the power of minus 1. which gives us minus 2e plus 2 by e, which gives us minus 2e square plus 2 by e, or we can write it as minus 2 times e square plus 1 by e. So that is the definite integral. So 12th one is 12th one, integral from 3 pi by 4 to of sine x dx. Now, integral of sine x is minus cos x. Okay, from 3 pi by 4 to pi. So this would be minus cos pi minus cos 3 pi by 4. Now, minus cos pi is, or rather cos pi is minus 1 times minus is plus 1. Again, plus cos 3 pi by 4 is minus root 2 by 2, which gives us 2 plus minus root 2 by 2, which is 2 minus root 2 by 2. A 13th one, integral from minus 1 to 1 of 5 by 2x plus 4 cube dx. Okay. Now what we can do is we can use substitution. U is equal to 2x plus 4. So here remember, whenever you are doing substitution, you have to take care of the limits as well. So as x goes to minus 1, u goes to minus 2 plus 4, that is 2. Similarly, as x goes to 1, u goes to 6. Okay, so now let's do the substitutions. 5 we can take it out. Now this becomes 2 to 6 of dx we require. So du is equal to 2 dx. That means dx is equal to du by 2. So we have du by 2 u cube. Okay, so now the 2 also we can take it out, and the integral of 1 by u cube will be u to the power of minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 by minus 2, from 2 to 6, which gives us 5 minus 2, okay, let it by 2 times this also we can take it down, minus we can okay, let it be there, 2u square, 2 to 6, which gives us 5 by 2, 1 by minus 2 times 6 square, minus 1 by minus 2 times 2 square, which becomes 5 by 2 times 36, 36 times 2 is 72. So minus 1 by 72 plus 1 by 8. So this would be 5 by 2 times 9 times. So minus 1 plus 9 by 72, which gives us 5 by 2 times 8 by 72. 2 fours, 4 ones 4, 32, 4 eights 32. So 5 by 18 is the integral. Okay. Now next one, 14th. Integral from minus 4 to minus 1 of 5 by 2x minus 2 dx. Again, we can write u is equal to 2x minus 2. As x goes to minus 4, u goes to minus 4, minus 8, minus 8, minus 2, minus 10. As x goes to minus 1, u goes to uh, minus 4. Du would be 2 dx. So that means dx is equal to du by 2. Okay, now we have that in place. So let's do the substitutions. Minus 10 to minus 4 of 5 we can take it out, and then we get 1, or rather du by 2 times. Okay, so this will be, if we take the integral of this, 2 can come out, so we have 1 by u du, which is nothing but natural log of u, from minus 10 to minus 4. So 5 by 2 times natural log of minus 4 minus 5. No, we have taken common out, so this would be natural log of minus 10, which gives us 5 by 2 times natural log of 4 minus natural log of 10. That is the integral. 15th one, integral minus 1 to 5 of the absolute value of x square minus 4x dx. Now this is a little bit tricky. The reason being that normally, if you have a curve which goes down the x-axis, if you take the absolute value, that actually comes on top, right? So we need to know at which points it actually comes up. So those would be the zeros of this. So x square minus 4x equal to 0. So x times x minus 4 equal to 0. That means x equal to 0 and x equal to 4. So these are the points at which um, you know um, the curve comes up instead of going down because of the absolute value. So which means our interval actually becomes minus 1 to 0, 0 to 4, and from 4 to 5. So we have to take the integral in these three intervals and then add them up. So let's do that. So integral minus 1 to 0 of x square minus 4x dx plus integral 0 to 4 of x square minus 4x dx plus integral from 4 to 5 of the absolute value of x square minus 4x dx. Now let's integrate. What do we get? Absolute value of x cube by 3 minus 4x square by 2. And let's put the bracket also, and minus 1 to 0 absolute value, plus absolute value x cube by 3 minus 4x square by 2, from 0 to 4, and absolute value, plus absolute value x cube by 3 minus 4x square by 2, from 4 to 5. Okay, now let's simplify this. 2 2's, 2 2's, 2 2. Okay, now if we substitute 0, the whole thing becomes 0 minus, and then we have minus 1 cube, that is minus 1 by 3 minus 2x square. So minus 1 square will be 1, so 2 times 1 is 2, plus again 4, 4 cube is 64 by 3, then minus 4 square is 16, 32, then minus 0. So this would be for 4, and 0 will make this entire thing 0. So absolute value. plus again absolute value of 5 cube, that is 125 by 3, minus 5 square is 25, 25 times 2 is 50, then minus 4, 4 cube is 64 by 3 minus 32. Okay, we need to be very careful here. So this becomes 1 by 3 plus 2 plus 32 times. So let's carry the absolute value. So 64 minus 326, 3 is 9 by 3 plus absolute value of 125 by 3 minus 50 minus this would be again 64 minus 96 by 3. So 1 plus 6 by 3 plus 96 minus 64 is going to be minus 32 by 3 plus 125 minus 150 by 3 minus 32 by 3. So this becomes 7 by 3 plus 32 by 3 plus again let's carry it a few more steps, minus 25 by 3 plus 32 by 3, which gives us 7 by 3 plus 32 by 3 plus this gives us a positive term. So 32 minus 25 is going to be 7 by 3, which gives us 32 plus 7 is 39, 39 plus 7 is 46 by 3. So that is the integral. Okay, 16th one. Integral from minus 3 to 3 of f of x dx, where f of x is equal to a split function. So minus x minus 1 when x is less than 2, and minus x square plus 8x minus 15 when x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay, again pretty straightforward. Minus 3 to 3 we are given the interval, but within that there is a separate function when x is less than 2. So let's split this. So minus 3 to 2. Okay, and so this would be minus x minus 1 dx, right? Then plus integral from 2 to 3, this one of, now here it will be minus x square plus 8x minus 15 dx. Okay, now it's pretty straightforward. We have minus x square by 2 minus x from minus 3 to 2 plus minus x cube by 3 plus 8x square by 2 minus 15x from 2 to 3. Now let's evaluate this. We get minus 4 by 2 minus 2 minus 3 square. So that would be 9 by 2 minus 3. So plus 3 plus again 3 cube is 27. So minus 27 by 3 plus 8x square. X square is going to be 3 square 9, 9 8 72 by 2 minus 15 times 3, that is minus 45 minus, now substituting 2 we get minus 8 by 3 plus 2 square is 4, 4 8 is 32 by 2 minus 15 to 30. Now let's do the simplification. 2 2's, anything else, 3 9's, 2 36, 216. Okay, so now let's see what happens. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus this would be minus 3 by 2 plus this would be minus 9 plus 36 minus 45. Then we will have minus 8 by 3 plus, not plus, minus 30 plus 16 is minus 40. Minus 4 plus 3 by 2. Okay, let's do 36 minus 45 is going to be minus 9. Minus 9 minus 9 is minus 18. Minus, this is minus, so this will become plus. 14 3 is 42. 42 minus 8 is 50 by 3. Minus 8 plus 3 minus 36 by 2 plus 50 by 3, which gives us minus 5 minus 41 by 2 plus 50 by 3, which gives us minus 4 3 is 12 123 plus 52 is 100 by 6, which gives us minus 23 by 6. So that is the integral. Let's do the 17th one. Integral from 0 to 4 of f of x dx, where f of x is equal to a split function 2x minus 4 for x less than 3 and minus 2x plus 8 when x is greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so again, since it's a split function, we need to split this integral as well. So 0 to 3 of, now here x is less than 3, so the function we are going to use is 2x minus 4. The part of the function that we are going to use is 2x minus 4 dx plus integral from 3 to 4 of minus 2x plus h dx. Now once we have done that, it's pretty straightforward now. 2x square by 2, so 2 cancels, minus 4x from 0 to 3 plus minus 2x square by 2 plus 8x. So 2 and 2 cancels from 3 to 4. So this gives us x square will be 3 square minus 4 times 3 minus 0 minus 0. So this is the first part. Then the second part, that would be minus 4 square plus 8 times 4. This is the first part of this, minus 3 square plus 8 times 3. Okay, now it's just a question of simplifying it. What do we get? We get 9 minus 12. This is 0 plus this would be minus 16 plus 32, then minus 9 plus 24. This gives us minus 3 plus 32 minus 16 is 16. Then this is 15, so minus 15, which gives us minus 3 plus 1, which gives us minus 2. So that is the integral. Okay, 18th one. Integral from 1 to 6 of f of x dx, where f of x is equal to minus 2x plus 4 when x is less than or equal to 2. and minus x plus 2 when x is greater than 2. So again we have to split the integral 1 to 2 of minus 2x plus 4 dx plus integral from 2 to 6 of minus x plus 2 dx. This would be minus 2x square by 2 plus 4x from 1 to 2 plus minus x square by 2 plus 2x from 2 to 6. Okay. Now 2 and 2 cancels and we have minus 2 square, that is 4, plus 4 times 2 is going to be 8. Minus, we have to substitute 1 now. So minus 1 plus 4 plus minus 2 square. So minus 6 square is minus 36 by 2 plus 6 to 12 minus minus 4 by 2 plus 4. This would be 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. So minus 3 plus this would be 2 ones to 8, 16. Minus 18 plus 12 is minus 6. And this would be 2 twos. So 4 minus 2 is 2. So minus 2. Which gives us 4 minus 3, 1. Plus this would be minus 8. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. So that is the integral. So that is fundamental theorem of calculus, one of the parts, one of the two parts of the fundamental theorem of calculus. That's it. Bye.